Good everyone! Looking for a durable and state-of-the-art ICT equipment trainer that is specially designed for private and public schools, institute, colleges, and universities? Paradox that provides an educational sector a good teaching system which is fast and easy to understand and computer-based training system? GOTT got it all for information technology equipment trainer, specially made for ICT workforce training. The design is installation for turnkey projects together with the training and support. Want to know more? I can surely help you with that. I'm Lenny, one of the technical specialist manager in ICT. I have over 5 years of experience in this high-tech industry in ICT, working with amazing clients, and had over 15 years of experience in the academe. Here in HYTEC Power, we can help you be part of the solution. Again, this is Lenny. You may contact my number posted on your screen. We can assist you 24/7. Again, we are HYTEC Power Incorporated, your total solutions provider.